Hi, my name's Marsh. I'm an attorney in Carson City. I've been practicing law since about 1989, and I've got some words for you on workers' compensation. In the area of workers' compensation, I've been practicing since about 1992. In that time frame, I've worked on insurance company cases, I've worked representing employers, and for about the last 20 years, I've worked representing injured workers. In that time, I've learned a lot of knowledge that's going to be invaluable to you. Let's begin with, how do you file a workers' comp claim? If you're injured at work, file your claim immediately. One of the problems that all workers' comp practitioners face is that our clients wait. They suck it up. They don't file their claim right away. They continue to work for another week, maybe a few days, maybe even a month. You can't do that. Your rights are at stake in a workers' comp claim. You need to file the case right away. There's actually laws in effect about how soon you have to file. And after all, it's your body, and it's the only one you've got. It's not worth sacrificing your health and your safety over continuing to suck it up and take one for the team. So how do you do this? How do you start a workers' comp claim? You go to the doctor. If you're injured at work and you can report to your boss or report to a manager or a supervisor, do it. Let them know what's happened. Fill out their incident report form. If you're severely injured and don't have time for that, get to the doctor. Get to an ER. You don't need prior authorization to go to an emergency room. Get there. Once you seek treatment, they're probably going to try to send you to one of the approved physicians on their list. And these are called occupational medicine clinics. These clinics are established to provide streamlined workers' comp services to the insurers and the employers and to you. If you have an attorney like myself, I work heavily in claims management, trying to keep any issues from ever arising in your case. One of the things I would do right away is get you to a doctor within their panel that I feel more comfortable with than just sending you to a clinic. I want to make sure that you get aggressive care as soon as possible. Now, all that starts with your first visit to the doctor and the filing of what's called a C4 form. Okay? That C4 form is vital. Without it, you don't have a workers' comp claim. The top half of the form, you fill out. The bottom half of the form, the doctor fills out. This form then goes to your employer, it goes to the insurance company, it goes to the state of Nevada, and you get a copy. All that begins with that C4 form. From there, you're going to seek medical treatment. Medical treatment consists of all kinds of specialties. One of the advantages to filing workers' comp versus group health is that in workers' comp, you've got no co-pays, no deductibles, no expenses. Everything is paid for by the system. Compare that to a group health type claim. If you file a group health claim, you've got co-pays and deductibles. You don't have co-pays and deductibles in workers' comp. Further, in a workers' comp case, if you lose time from work under a certain set of circumstances, they have to pay you a percentage. It's 66 2/3 of your pre-injury wage, before what you were making before you got injured. Now, there's a lot of calculations that go on and how do they figure out your average monthly wage. Don't worry about that. That's for your attorney. That's what we do. We work with the insurance adjuster to make sure that that happens. And then you get treatment. And hopefully, if you're off work, you're going to get a temporary total disability check. From there, your claims management is going to go on. There can be all kinds of issues that arise. Do you need an MRI? Don't you need an MRI? Do you need surgery? Will conservative care alone satisfy you? That's where you and I work together. My job is to protect your best interests. Don't worry about the insurance company and don't worry about your employer. They have their own representatives to represent them and to determine what's in their best interest. Nevada's got a very unique workers' comp system. Don't listen to people that may tell you about what happened in California or what happened elsewhere. Nevada is very unique. If you've got a Nevada-based claim, you really need to get to a Nevada attorney who knows what they're doing and understands work comp. And work comp is not personal injury. It's not like a car wreck. Workers' comp has got its own set of rules. It's all done by statute. Those of us that have been in the field a long time know those differences. I think I'm very uniquely qualified because of the fact that I've done insurance work, I've done employer work, and I've done claimant work. I know what each of those parties are going to be looking for. So with those things said, give us a call. Don't wait. Don't waste time. It's your health that's at stake, and we're here to help.